The last free place in America. City with no laws. No police. No restrictions. Maybe it's a beautiful dream. You can do whatever you want. Is this an actual city? Is life in this city as beautiful as a dream? In this video, you will find the answers to all of these questions. So please be our company and don't miss the rest of this video. You can support us by subscribing to the About It All YouTube channel. There is a fundamental question here. Why should people live in this place? Is the lack of law the only reason people live in this area? Slab City is tucked away in the southeastern corner of California's Sonoran Desert. A mere 4 miles east of Niland, California, and 45 miles from the Mexican border. Its name derives from the concrete slabs left behind the Marines' barracks at Camp Dunlap during the Second World War. A number of campers tourists live in this area. They are primarily a snowbird community, which means they stay in Slab City during the cooler winter months before migrating north in the summer. Temperatures during the summer in Slab City can go up to 48 degrees Celsius. Although there are no official rules, Slab City operates on a system where if you don't hurt anyone or anyone's property, you won't get hurt. Slab City is known as the last free place on Earth, or the last lawless land in America. With that comes the assumption that there are no laws. However, federal and state laws still apply. The inhabitants of this city live in trailers and prefabricated wooden houses, have no electricity, and their homes have no addresses. The city has no public facilities, and there is no tax. Although it all seems out of place, many locals feel very comfortable here. Locals call it the last free city in America. Naturalization in this city is an informal process. Anyone can easily find land or live in a trailer that has not been claimed before. Living in this city has its own standards of behavior. Drug use is common among people. There is no specific violence in the city and the community. Many people come to see this city because they want interesting facts about it. Going there itself will be an interesting and exciting adventure. Visiting this area in the day is usually safe, while the night is controversial. There is no flowing water, no plumbing or sewer, and electricity. The nearest supermarket is 30 minutes away from the city. Mount of Salvation is a small piece in the complex and expansive puzzle of Slab City. The mountain was originally built by Leonard Knight, who used haystacks and thousands of paint cans to create this massive art installation. He has become famous because this place has become a beautiful attraction for tourists. This thing is even used in the movie Into the Wild. The city of Slab has a freelanding library, an outdoor music venue called The Range, and the Salvation Mountain. It also has a cafe, hustle, and skating rink built inside the military's base's swimming pool. The question here is whether black people also live in this area. According to maps, censuses, and statistics, most of the residents of this area are black. Is Slab City really lawless? Home to less than 200 residents year-round and over 4,000 during the winter months, Slab City offers a unique experience for all who pass by. And while it may seem like people are drawn to the slabs because of its moniker, the place without any rules, that simply isn't true. Yes, it is true that there are no law enforcement offices in the place or officially approved rules, but this is not a lawless place. School buses run through weekday mornings and afternoons to transport some of the children who live there to school elsewhere in the area. Signs are posted everywhere with some written rules. Police vans are present almost daily, and there are even UPS and FedEx delivery stations throughout the community. There are reports of large numbers of thefts and drug use. However, this is not unique to Slab City. As in any community, there will be problems, quarrels, and disagreements among its inhabitants. You can always call the police if you need to. Remember that Slab City is not without laws, but it is free to camp or live there. I think mostly hippies and people who would like to spend their life freely and in their own way decide to go and live in this place. And despite the fact that there are no facilities, it is going to be fun to handle all your things. Although many people don't like this way of living, but 1 week of camping won't hurt you and it is worth the risk. Am I the only person who really wants to go camping there? Tell me what you think in the comments. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and got the information you wanted to know. Share this video with someone you know they're going to like this city and give us a thumbs up for support. If you don't want to miss our new videos, please subscribe to the About It All YouTube channel and ring the notifications bell. Thank you for watching About It All.